Welcome to GK Seva. Select the correct answer from the multiple choices. What color is the sun? A. Yellow. B. Blue. C. Green. The correct answer is A. Yellow. How many legs does a spider have? A. 4. B. 8. C. 6. B. 8. What shape is a circle? A. Square. B. Triangle. C. Round. The correct answer is C. Round. How many sides does a square have? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. The correct answer is 4. What color are bananas? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Blue. The correct answer is B. Yellow. What do we use to drink milk? A. Plate. B. Glass. C. Bowl. The correct answer is B. Glass. How many days are there in a week? A. 5. B. 7. C. 10. The correct answer is B. 7. What do we use to see things far away? A. Binoculars. B. Microscope. C. Telescope. A. Binoculars. What is the opposite of cold? A. Warm. B. Hot. C. Cool. The correct answer is A. Warm. What do we use to play soccer? A. Ball. B. Bat. C. Racket. The correct answer is A. Ball. What do we use to wash our hands? A. Soap and water. B. Milk. C. Juice. Correct answer is A. Soap and water. What color is a fire? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Green. The correct answer is B. Red. What shape is a triangle? A. Square. B. Circle. C. Triangle. The correct shape is C. Triangle. What do we use to eat ice cream? A. Fork. B. Spoon. C. Knife. The correct answer is spoon. What is the opposite of tall? A. Short. B. Big. C. Long. The correct answer is short. What do we use to cut paper? A. Scissors. B. Knife. C. Hammer. The correct answer is A. Scissors. What color is a lemon? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Orange. The correct answer is B. Yellow. What do we use to see in the dark? A. Flashlight. B. Candle. C. Lamp. The correct answer is A. Flashlight. What is the opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Angry. C. Excited. The correct answer is A. Sad. What do we use to protect our head? A. Helmet. B. socks. C. Gloves. The correct answer is A. Helmet. What do we use to cook food? A. Oven. B. Fridge. C. Microwave. The correct answer is A. Oven. What do we use to write with? A. Pencil. B. Toothbrush. C. Comb. The correct answer is A. Pencil. What color is a school bus? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Blue. The correct answer is B. Yellow. What do we use to brush our teeth? A. Fork. B. Toothbrush. C. Spoon. And the correct answer is B. Toothbrush. What color is a fire truck? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Green. And the correct answer is B. Red. What do we use to eat with? A. Plate. B. Fork. C. Knife. And the correct answer is B. Fork. What do we use to sleep on? A. Bed. B. Chair. C. Table. And the correct answer is A. Bed. What color is grass? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Green. And the correct answer is C. Green. What do we use to clean the floor? A. Broom. B. Towel. C. Sponge. And the correct answer is A. Broom. What shape is a star? A. Circle. B. Star. C. Square. And the correct answer is B. Star. What color is a carrot? A. Purple. B. Orange. C. Blue. And the correct answer is B. Orange. What do we use to make toast? A. Toaster. B. Blender. C. Microwave. And the correct answer is A. Toaster. What do we use to play football? A. Ball. B. Bat. C. Racket. And the correct answer is A. Ball. What color is a tomato? A. Purple. B. Red. C. Yellow. And the correct answer is B. Red. What do we use to clean the dishes? A. Sponge. B. Towel. C. Fork. And the correct answer is B. Sponge. What do we use to brush our hair? A. Toothbrush. B. Comb. C. Sponge. And the correct answer is B. Comb. What color is the moon? A. Yellow. B. White. C. Blue. And the correct answer is B. White. What do we use to wash our clothes? A. Washing machine. B. Oven. C. Dishwasher. And the correct answer is A. Washing machine.